Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you the change of base formula and how you could use it if you have an older machine that doesn't do it for you. Although Desmos does do this. I showed you in another video, you can evaluate this logarithm using Desmos. So in a sense, this is sort of antiquated. You don't really need it unless you had some kind of algebraic application you might run into where you were going to use this formula. But anyway, let's show you how it works. So what this is saying pretty much is this. Log base b of x. So if you look at the pattern here, it says take the log of the argument, divide it by the log of the base. Use the same base when you do that. Well, the smart thing to do would be use base 10 or base e, since your calculators have that in their programming, right? Without going to the change of base or the base change function that you may or may not have. Okay, so that's where this is valuable. So let's just do it both ways. So we're going to work on log base 8 of 5. And let's pull up the calculator and show you what I'm talking about. Oh, actually, let's write it first. What I'm saying is log base 8 of 5. Oops, don't want that. Use the change of base formula. Log base 8 of 5 is log of 5 divided by log of 8. Or it could be natural log of 5 divided by the natural log of 8. All right? So all we're doing is taking the log of the argument and divided by the log of the base, making sure we use the same base in our logarithm. See, log of the argument divided by log of the base, and use the same base when you do it. Okay? All right, and let's go to the calculators. So what we just did was log of 5 divided by log of 8. And there's that log key. That's why I said use base 10. And we get that as our answer, okay? Now, the reason I say this is sort of antiquated, we have in our math menu, the newer calculators, have log base 8 of 5. So you would never really need that formula to evaluate that. Just to drive the point home that doesn't matter what base you pick, let's take the natural log of 5 and divide that by the natural log of 8, and we get the same thing. So that's an example of using this property. And again, unless you really don't need it that much, if we run into a situation, at least we have it. So thanks for watching.